Assalamu alaikum. If you're looking to draw more attention to your YouTube channel, you are going to want to have all your visual assets optimized. One of your first action items should be to make the most of your YouTube banner size, design and formats. Scrolling through YouTube channels, probably you have noticed that all YouTube channels have a large rectangular photo that resembles a cover photo on Facebook. This is what is known on YouTube banner or channel art. And this is the key factor is how much attention you are going to get from followers and subscribers on YouTube. But when you want to make a professional banner, you need to watch this video first because on this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a professional YouTube channel art or banner using your mobile phone. So coming up. Hi guys, welcome back to our mobile screen. So in this video we are going to make a professional YouTube channel art or banner for our YouTube channel by using our mobile phone. You can use your iPhone or you can use your Android phone as well. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you by using iPhone, but this is the same things you can do it on your Android mobile phone. To getting a app to making a professional YouTube channel art, you have to go to App Store if you are using iOS device, and then you have to search here Canva. Okay, so you will see this kind of a designing application that's called Canva Design, and here you have to download it from your App Store, or you are using Android, you can go for Play Store. After installing that, you have to go to Canva. Okay, so we have come to Canva. After coming Canva, you have to log into it to work in it. Okay, and for that you can use your email address or you can use your Facebook ID as well. After doing that, you can get this kind of interface on your mobile phone. After that, you have to search over here YouTube channel banner. Okay, so you will see here YouTube banner. Okay, after searching YouTube banner, you can see here lots of YouTube channel banner formats are ready-made here. You can edit and change it for your YouTube channel banner. Like we are going to edit this template. Okay, so this templates is very cool and you can edit with your text, your pictures and many more. Okay, so at first we are going to change our picture. For that we have to select the picture over here, and after selecting you have to press on replace icon, and from here you have to select a picture of you which you are going to add on this profile. Okay, so like we want to give here this kind of picture. Okay, this picture is our picture for my YouTube channel, and now we are going to change this text Team Ashton. So here we are going to write creator fact, right? This is our YouTube channel. You can change it anytime or anywhere, and you can do it any text as you need. Okay, so after that you have to change it here if you want to do it. Like here is right work, travel and everything in between, but we are going to write here YouTube tips, update and tutorials. Okay, done. So our simple gorgeous YouTube channel banner is completed. You can write here anything, okay, as you wish. So after completing your customization on this template, you have to save it as easily, and for that you have to go over above here and you have to click on the download icon above here. After that, preparing your design has been completed, making the magic happen. Exactly, you can do it and make it a professional cover design for your YouTube channel just in a minute. And here you go, we are going to our gallery, and after that we can see here our channel art is completed. And now you just have to go to your YouTube channel and you have to set your cover on your YouTube channel. It's like amazing and it's ready-made. You can do it on any kind of completing customization and sizing, etc, etc. So I think this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get our next videos. And exactly, please comment below how was the video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.